do you build sustainability into banking? In short, what is green banking? One is green banking, promotion of the environment friendly practices. Second, reducing the carbon footprint from the banking operations. So both are vital. So investments or lending is the job we do when it comes to advances and using the shareholders' money and customer deposits. So a portion of the risk-weighted capital, when we channelize for investments or lending, we have to be careful. It means if every household we can contain carbon emission, this would 16.5 million trees per year, 46,000 acres, 400,000 tons of carbon emission, and 495,000 tons of air pollution, and 2.1 million tons of oxygen per year we can save if every household were able to switch to paperless banking, for example. This is we should promote. So when we lend money or invest money, we have to look at how we can do it when it comes to green banking. Where do we invest? Water management, waste management, recycling plant, small and medium-sized entrepreneurs. So green initiatives are very vital. One is the green mortgage, for example, green loans. Online banking itself is a green banking. Electronic statements. Electronic statements are paperless, so it will reach everyone. That's a very good development. We have to work on it. But there are challenges. We have to understand it comes with a challenge. The challenges are very many. We have to understand that people are not used to diversification of problems. Green banking restrict their business transactions to those business entities who qualify screening process done by green banks. With a limited number of customers, they will have a smaller base to support them. So the criteria which are mentioned is vital, but they have to follow. Startup phase. Many banks in green business are very new and they are in startup stage. Generally, it takes 3 to 4 years for a bank to start making money. Thus, it does not help the banks during the technical recession side. So we have to understand the challenges we have to overcome. The variables in the green banking are very many. The variables can come from multiple pockets. Internal variables, performance, profitability, cost, and operations. Then you have external variables, the criteria which are set as footprints we have to follow. The planet, the economic viability, the people have to accept, the government has to accept external variables. These are things which will give us enough opportunities for us to see through. Then we can issue green bonds. Of late, many institutions are issuing green bonds for carbon emission reduction reason. They will deploy these funds, invest these funds only for a green purpose. So with long-term return, but good, effective use of the money. That's just social objectives, come commercial objectives. These are commercially valid. Long-term sustenance is all about issuing this bond, certifying this, ensuring compliance, and complying in line with the regulatory framework. That's the level of, corporate social responsibility we have to commit.